So Tottenham 3, Arsenal 0. Embarrassment at the Lane, an embarrassment. Win the top 4 race, they said. Tonight, the champagne will be on ice. Tonight is the night that Arsenal show how far they've come under Mikel Arteta. Mikel Arteta the Great. We've got Super Mick Arteta. He knows exactly what we need. He weren't landing planes at the Lane tonight, was he? Weren't landing planes on the touchline. Absolute waster. They got everything they deserve tonight. Before we get into that fan cam, I do want to play a video from the website that is linked down below in the description, Therapy website. Anyone who suffers from mental health, depression, anxiety, if you're an Arsenal fan, I would not be surprised one bit, by the way. Do go and check it out. You get 1 month for free. 1 month for free. After that, it is $14 a month. If you use code leegunner, all one word in lowercase, you will get $4 off of that monthly fee. So make sure you do go and check it out. $1 of that does go to the Gunnar Claude Trust. So I am going to link the website in the description. Do go and check it out. It's free to sign up. There is plenty of online courses to do on here. And you get meditating, anxiety logs. You can write a diary, plenty of stuff. The meditating, by the way, boom, absolutely class. I've done it myself. It is brilliant. Live seminars and sessions for social anxiety in terms of school, out and about in the open, in public. One-to-one therapy sessions, you'll get a discount of 15%. Question time, you in the relationship, etc., etc. Plenty of courses on here. Getting to know yourself, the knowledge of yourself will be discussed. The guy who runs this also does a group therapy session, which is absolutely fantastic. So do go and check this out. There's plenty of stuff to do on here. Honestly, every single one of these things that I'm showing you on the screen is all included in the membership fee. Live Q&As, so you can sit and discuss openly your issues, your problems, your thoughts and feelings going forward. So do go and check this website out. And yeah, I'm going to quickly play this video and then we're going to get back into the fan cam of this game. So sit back, enjoy it. It's 1 minute long. Let's go.
Therapy. Therapy wherever, whenever.
Hello and welcome to Know Yourself, brought to you by Therapy. Therapy wherever, whenever. In this 4-week course, you will learn how to indicate areas of inner conflict and distress and reflect on them. You will also learn about how different versions of yourself compete with each other to make you feel depressed. This course uses simple models to illustrate different psychological processes. At the end of each lesson, you will be able to draw a model of yourself and see how your depression and inner conflict has been created. We encourage you to take each lesson at your own pace. There is a lot to learn. Short videos and diagrams are provided to make the information easier to digest. Homework will be assigned at the end of every lesson. Also, please make the most of the week between the lessons by applying what you've learned and by doing the homework consistently throughout the week. Before you start this course, have some nice paper, some different color pens, and some tracing paper handy. So, without further ado, let's get started. Click on the tab below to proceed to the first week of the course, the objective and method theory.
I'm on mute. Who knew? Do go and check that out. Philip is an Arsenal fan as well, so do go and check that out straight away. The link is in the description. But let's get on to this game. Rob Holding, brain dead. Brain dead. What is he doing? Absolutely disgusting. What is he doing? You've had 1 lesson. You've had 2 lessons. Son schooled you twice. You got away with it twice. 3rd time, why are you pulling him back? As soon as that happened, I said he's getting sent off. 2 minutes later, bang, forearm smash. Should have been a red. He got a 2nd yellow. Off. Gone. Cedric Suarez, what are you doing? Like, genuinely, what are you doing? Capitulation settings. What are you doing? We see that with Mustafi, by the way, a few seasons back, where he did exactly the same in the box to Harry Kane. But What do we know? We have conceded 4 goals less than Burnley, by the way, this season, who are in a relegation battle, and they are right down there fighting and scrapping for their lives. But according to Top Gooners, who, by the way, all walking out the ground 10 minutes from the end, why weren't you backing your manager? But apparently I'm toxic. I'm toxic. It's me. It's my fault. It's all my fault. But it is what it is. I didn't go to the toilet and I missed the 3rd goal. Yeah, great team talk at half-time, Mikel. Well done, mate. Well done. Well done. Would anyone be surprised if we bottled top 4? Like, real talk. We've got Newcastle away next. Yeah, we spent 250 million quid on this team, and we played Xhaka and Tomiyasu at centre-back at one point. Just give me strength, man. If you don't laugh, you just cry, innit? This club's dusted. Absolutely dusted. Top Gooners all week saying Martinelli over Son. What planet are you living in? Yeah, Eddie and Nketiah over Kane, who has the ability to ghost most North London derbies and still score 2 goals. Like, it is actually peak. But what do we know? What do we know? Yeah, we are just negative. We are the rats. We should be in the gutter. Newcastle away on Monday. Is anyone confident? Really? Like, absolutely disgusting. Can we talk about Starboy? Are we allowed to talk about Starboy? You know, Starboy, he holds puppies. Yeah, he's got a cute face. He missed a penalty for England in the Euros final. Not the World Cup, the Euros. Are we allowed to talk about how dead his performance was again today? Or is that toxic? Because the standard that most people put him on is Ronaldinho levels. Yeah, so when he ain't Ronaldinho levels, I'm going to call him out. Yeah, he was crap. And it's a debate between him and Martin Odegaard of the players that finished that match on who was actually the worst. Who was the worst? Leave in the description box, the comments box, whatever box you want. Just leave it downstairs. Absolutely pathetic performance. Mikel Arteta in his press conference said that they don't need Gian up for this game. It's a North London derby, and if we win, we're in the Champions League. You don't need much more motivation than that. Hold my beer. Up step Arsenal. Absolutely shambolic. This football club is a shambles at times. Yeah, and I've been telling people, and one day you lot will wake up. Yeah, I've already seen people saying, yeah, Eddie and El Neni are not good enough. The same people that are saying that, by the way, have all been knocking one out over their last 4 performances, saying give them a new contract, they're good squad players. Make your minds up. Yeah, flippity flop, Javianas FC. But don't worry, it was the ref's fault tonight. Super fans and Top Gooners will tell you it's the ref's fault. No, it's not the ref's fault. He got pretty much everything spot on, if I'm honest. Pretty much everything spot on. But what do we know? You know, like I said, we're just toxic. The toxicity is divisive. We're walking out of a stadium before the football match ends is divisive. Unless you're going to miss your last train. And the fixture was rejigged, so you want to go. Other than that, if you're walking out on your team, unless it's to get your last train, then there's an issue, isn't there? Yeah, a lot of Top Gooners were walking out tonight. That was a shambolic performance. Let's not just brush that under the carpet. And do you know what? The only saving grace in terms of top 4 is the fact that they didn't actually spank us when they could have. Yeah, they took their foot off the gas. They could have done 5, 6, 7 tonight. Real talk. Yeah, 5, 6, 7. Son blazed one over the bar, 4 yards out. Ramsdale made an unreal save. Yeah, that was a mad save. And I think he made a second save after that. Yeah, a couple of minutes later, he made an unreal save as well. On another day, that could have been 5, 6, 7. Yeah, we were shocking. What did we do? Yeah, Odegaard, what did you do? The creative spark, what did you create? Nada. Yeah, Saka, what did you do? Nada. The only player that actually looked like he'd give a toss was Martinelli, and we took him off. Ben White, by the way. Yeah, the Seaside Mustafi, 50 mil. Yeah, Rob Holding gets sent off. Why did he not come on then? We put Tommy Cafu at centre-back and put Xhaka at left-back. And then Gabriel does a hamstring. So why didn't we bring Ben White on again? Oh, we bring Nuno Tavares on and put Xhaka at centre-back. This sounds a little bit like Arsene Wenger, doesn't it? Yeah? Square pegs in round holes. Kind of peak, if I'm being honest. Is what it is. Who gives a shit about top 4? I don't. All you people that do, wake up. This club's clapped. We're out of here. Laters. I'll tat her out.